Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Element.
What does the dictionary say?
A component or constituent of a whole or one of the parts into which a whole may be resolved by analysis.
Math rap.
In math, it's important to know what is meant by the member of a set, an element, like a shirt in a set of clothes. That shirt is an element of those.
Math rap.
Explain elements in your own words. My friend Ella tried to explain elements to me last year. I didn't get it. I never knew what Ella meant. Make a chart and list the elements of the following groups or wholes: vegetables, sports, school subjects, cell phone companies. Which of the 4 above groups or categories is most important to you? What was the most important element in that group? Why? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!